Okay, looks like everybody has jumped on now. I want to thank you all for joining us here today. My name is Dustin Olsharik, one of the directors of sales here at Pinnacle Financial Services, and we're going to be going over some great dental products. I think it's imperative if you're going to be a licensed agent selling Medicare supplements, Medicare Advantages, pretty much anything in the senior market, you want to cross sell. It's the number one way to retain your clients. Statistics show the more policies and products that you have with a client, the less likely they are to leave you, and the more likely they are to call you up if something else arises, whether it might be life insurance, final expense, hospital indemnity plans, anything like that. So this will be a quick little webinar for a Friday here. Hope you're all doing well. Just a couple of housekeeping things. I do have you all on mute, so feel free to type some questions in the question box. I will get to them at the end of the webinar for you. I want to be respectful of your time and not take too much of your time up here on a Friday. Real quick, though, we always like to start about us, contact our team. So if you would like to get set up with some of these carriers I'm going to be going over, you can contact your sales team, myself, and we can get you set up with these new dental carriers. All of our extensions, email addresses are here, so take a screenshot of it, take a picture of it. We're here to help you. All the directors of sales here on the life side, and then as we scroll down, we head into the life annuities and final expense. That also being said, I always like to mention our excellent support team, the best in the industry. If you need to find out if your writing numbers came in, you need to check a policy number, see if something's approved, order some kits, anything like that. We are your full back office support. So don't waste your time sitting on the phone with a carrier for a half an hour, 40 minutes. Let us do that job so you can continue out there selling. Our job is to help you with the products, the back office, and get you contracted and make your life easier. Your job is out there to sell. So let us take care of all those headaches. So you have all your health support here. You have our licensing support as well, too. And then our life and annuities and final expense as well. So we're not hiding from you. All of our information is here. We want to hear from you on a regular basis. So give us a call if there's anything we can help you out with and get you set up with different carriers, product lines, everything like that. Of course, we have traditional dental plans, or, as we talk about dental plans, the past couple of years, we've started seeing higher volume ones where they have higher benefit amounts and everything like that. But if you do need to just get a basic one for cleanings, anything like that, they're not looking to spend too much money. If you go into our quoting, you can quote just our dental vision products here, plug in a zip code, adjust the age, gender, smoker, non-smoker, and hit get a quote. So this is going to show you all of the different base dental plans that Pinnacle has to offer here. So they're going to be your traditional ones, Humana, Mutual of Omaha, stuff like that. It goes up to generally, $1,000 benefits. Some of them up to $1,500. A couple different riders sometimes in some of the different states that you can add on vision benefits and stuff like that. So you're looking for the traditional plans that basically cover some cleanings, maybe X-ray a year, stuff like that. We do offer all those products as well too. It's great to have them in your bag. Not every dental plan fits every client, and incomes and everything like that. There may be certain things that they can afford, they can't afford. So we do have something that can fit every criteria for that. But what I'm here to talk to you about today is going to be the National Care Dental product. This is our top selling dental plan across the entire country. We're seeing a ton of agents sell it due to the fact that they have higher benefit amount plans. We get a lot of different questions here. 1,500 is not enough, anything like that. So this is where National Care Dental does come into play. So if you're selling a supplement, you want to be cross-selling, obviously a prescription drug plan and a dental plan, because, med subs don't cover that. Even if you're selling Medicare Advantage plans and it's a plan that might not be super rich in the dental benefit, you also can add on a standalone dental plan as well too, along with like a hospital indemnity. So we have two kind of entities here with the National Care Dental, which is pretty nice. So you have it with a nationwide network, they're going to offer three plans basically here. You're going to have a $1,500 plan benefit, you're going to have a $3,000 plan benefit, and then you're going to have a $5,000 plan benefit. So that is going to be the nationwide ones. You can see some of the different things that they offer here. Obviously, there's limits to 15, 3,000, and 5,000. Maximum deductibles you can add in families as well too. So let's say you wanted to go to the base enroll now in a $3,000 plan. It's going to give you some options. You can simply pick the drop down menu, pick the state that you want to look at, and kind of start the application. You can select dental only. You can select vision only, or you can select both here. You can also add a member and a spouse, member and child, and a complete family as well too. So you can see that it jumps up here a little bit. So if you had a family that wanted to get full coverage, you could have a $5,000 benefit, and it would be $243 a month here. So great options here for people who are looking for a little bit of a higher benefit in the nationwide spread. Now, that being said, the other entity that National Care Dental had come out with this year in the beginning of January is going to be the MetLife. A lot of people really like this MetLife network. They're going to have a little bit different of plan basis here. So what they're going to offer is going to be a $750 one. So that's going to be your cheap one, just to get a couple cleanings a year. You're going to have your 2,000 benefit ones that kind of more go aligned in your traditional dental, might be a little bit higher than the $1,500 benefit. And then we have your 10,000 benefit. So this is the highest benefit that I'm aware of any dental product, at least, like I said, that I'm aware of and that we offer. So if you are looking for, something that is going to have a higher benefit amount, maybe they need to get a lot more work done and stuff like that, National Care Dental MetLife branded is going to be the way to go. So you can see there's associated benefits as well here too. So you're going to want to get set up with these. If you're set up with National Care Dental already, you are automatically set up with the MetLife product. You can take a look at the availability of the MetLife product as of January. So you can see they're in most of the states. More, I'm sure, are soon to come. And in the outlined New York and Connecticut, they were coming in January 2023. So they should be there now. You can look at the footprint. I'm sure a lot of you sell in your resident states. You sell in non-res states as well, too. So it's a really good opportunity to cross-sell. You may have clients that might be looking for higher benefits, and National Care Dental is going to be the way to go. If you take a look at some of the brochures on here too as well, you can go through some of the information about it. In the nationwide product of it, like I said, it goes up to the $5,000 benefits, but you're going to see there's a ton of different things that they're going to cover. So the preventative care one, you're going to have routine exams, cleanings, fluoride for children, the basic care plan, 80% coverage with no waiting period, so full mouth, sealants, space retainers, and simple extractions, and then your major care at 50% coverage, 12-month waiting period. You can see that there's going to be a ton of different things that you can get. Some denture repair, bridges, implants, crowns, crown repair, some oral surgery as well. So you can take a look at some of the prices that it's going to be as well too, whether you're going to do the 15, 3,000 or 5,000 for one member, a member, a spouse, member and children, or an entire family. So pretty much the premiums are pretty standard for all these different things. So take a look at it. They're coming out pretty much in all the different states here. We have a ton of different dental products. We're seeing a lot of people really transition into this National Care Dental just due to the fact that their network is really good. They use the MetLife network along with the Carrington network, which is one of the bigger dental networks in the country. And then also you have the nationwide network as well too. So it wasn't going to be too long of a webinar. Just wanted to introduce you to some of you that might be, we have a ton of new agents on here that are starting off. We have some seasoned agents as well too. So if you do need to get set up with these products, we highly recommend it. I use the National Care Dental Network as well too for this, so it's a great product to actually have. If you do need to get contracted with us, and if you're not contracted with us, why aren't you? We have tons and tons of different things that we offer here. Pinnacle's back office support is the top in the industry. All the technology with online enrollment tool systems, training, free website designs, logo designs, and all the top carriers and top commissions in the industry. So if you need to get contracted with us, there's simple online ones that you can do, or there's a paper contracts that you can fill out. So please give us a call. Let us know if you need to add these. Let's talk about some of the carriers that we can work on. I guarantee we will earn the rest of your business, even if you sign up with a couple carriers to give us a try out here. So I'm going to open it up to some questions if anybody wants to type it in the box here. And we got some great questions here. Yes, is the nationwide plan only for 65 plus? No, it's for under that as well too. So this product is not just for the senior market. It's going to be for almost all the ages as well too. The commissions vary a little bit from state to state, but on the average, I believe they're around 6 to 7% higher than any of the other dental products out there. So sometimes people think it might not be worth it to sell a dental product because you don't get that much commissions. You are making a lot more on the national care dental products, and also it being a percentage, the higher the premium, the more you're going to make. So I really think it's a product that you're going to need to add if you're selling in the senior market here. You have so many options, whether it's going to be the nationwide product up until the MetLife product, with no waiting periods for a lot of different things, and higher benefits all around than traditional dental. So that's going to wrap it up. I didn't want to take up too much time on this Friday here. I know you are busy and your time is valuable. So feel free to give me a call or reach out to your director of sales to get set up with this great product for National Care Dental. My number is 1-800-772-6881, extension 7706. And you can see my email addresses here as well too. So if you need to get set up with any of these, feel free to give me a call or just shoot me a quick email. I can get you set up. Contracting for it is really easy. You get your writing numbers very quick. It's not a long, drawn-out process. So I look forward to hearing from all of you soon and getting you contracted with the National Care Dental product.